Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to check for updates in Windows 11. So to check for updates, you should firstly click on the Start icon and search for the Settings application. Here in the Settings application, you can go to the left panel and see on the bottom of the list button Windows Update, or you can also see the same button here in the right top corner. Click on it, and here just click on this purple button Check for Updates. And you can do whatever you want, you don't have to have this window opened all the time. Now I don't have any updates, but if I had, I would just wait for them to download and then maybe restart my PC. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment down below, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.